Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between green meadows and towering trees, there lived a cheerful young girl named Ella. Ella lived with her grandmother in a cozy cottage on the edge of the village. Every morning, Ella would go down to the bubbling brook to fetch water, carrying a wooden bucket bigger than she was. One sunny day, while playing near the brook, Ella stumbled upon an old woman with kind eyes and a gentle smile. The woman wore a cloak that shimmered in the sunlight as if woven from the stars themselves. With a soft voice, she spoke, "Dear child, would you kindly share a bit of your bread with an old wanderer?" Without a second thought, Ella divided her lunch in half and handed it to the old woman. As soon as the woman took a bite, her eyes twinkled brightly. "Thank you, dear Ella," she said, knowing Ella's name magically. "For your kindness, I wish to give you a gift." From her cloak, she pulled out a small, ordinary-looking pot and handed it to Ella. "This is no ordinary pot," she continued. "It is a magic porridge pot. Simply say, 'Cook, little pot, cook,' and it will make delicious porridge for you. When you've had enough, just say, 'Stop, little pot, stop.'" Excited by the gift, Ella rushed home to show her grandmother. That evening, they decided to use the pot for supper. Ella gently placed it on the kitchen table and uttered the magic words, "Cook, little pot, cook." Instantly, the pot began to bubble, brewing the sweetest smelling porridge. But one afternoon, while Ella was out picking strawberries, her grandmother felt a little hungry and decided to use the magic pot herself. She confidently commanded, "Cook, little pot, cook." The pot started as usual, bubbling with creamy porridge. However, her grandmother had forgotten the magic words to make it stop. The pot continued to cook, filling the kitchen, spilling into the yard, and over the garden fence. Soon, porridge was flowing through the village streets, causing quite a commotion. Villagers tried to eat it, scoop it, and block it, but nothing worked. Just as they began to worry, Ella returned. Surprised to see her entire village on the verge of becoming a porridge river, Ella thought quickly and shouted, "Stop, little pot, stop." And just like that, the pot calmed itself, halting the flow of porridge. It became a tradition in the village to celebrate Porridge Day once a year, where everyone would gather to enjoy the bounty of the magic pot, making sure, of course, to stop it on time. And so, the little village thrived with kindness, laughter, and delicious porridge, all thanks to the generous heart of young Ella and the enchantment of the magic pot. They lived happily ever after, always remembering the simple magic words. The ends. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.